last week, my oven quits on me. Right there. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. So, I got a replacement, so we'll give it a try. Let's do that. I've never done this, so I don't know what to expect. And I gotta crawl in there, so let's move this so I can see better. That looks like it is a little socket, a square. I wonder if I got a security bit. I did not have a square bit, but if you got one of these type of screwdrivers, the smaller one actually fits perfect. Oh, let's crawl in here somehow. All right. Oh no, I'm stuck. Somebody help me. I'm stuck in here. Hello? Oh, the disappointment. I know. Got one out. Second one out. Come here. Where'd the pliers go? Grab these with a pair of pliers. There we go. There's one. There's the other one. There we go. All right. Just got these two cables here and here. Look at that hole in there. That damn thing burned through. Through here and in the oven. I have to tell my landlord. All right, now I'm gonna take this plate off here. So we can order a new plate. All right, there we go. We will leave this. First time I've ever run into an issue with that heater. First time he's ever seen that too, so he should probably just get a new oven. Well, that's all I can do for now, so he's gonna order a new plate and then I can put it back together. That was pretty easy. I don't work on appliances, so I should let my boss know. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to do any more work.